Alrighty. Shakedown run for the weekend here. This is going to be boring. I'll just cut the one. I'm not really good on this last year. That's all right. That was good. I'm going to back off the rebound once. So we're going this section is. Brakes coming a little strong there. Okay, we're here now. So far, we're just kind of on like a warm-up kind of thing, and well, yeah, it's just kind of the warm-up for the day, kind of like a nature path. So, just take it easy on the first warm-up section. Have a good time. It is for a warm-up, so you need to push yourself too hard, right? So this is actually a nice workout trail, but I like downhill better. Yeah, officially lost GPS signal. Not really a shock. Oh, climbing. To be honest here, any of my other videos, you know, I'm fast downhill and that's about it. Thank you. Okay. Met up with my dad. And now, somewhere behind me with the rest of my family. I'm supposed to be finding this tower. Oh, there it is. Kind of hard to miss. Yeah, top of the tower. It's pretty far ways down too. All of its ladders. I'll keep you on the way down. Okie dokie. This should make us up. Yeah, I'm gonna ride.
Hey, watch for people.
I will. Alright, so this is just the green that's gonna link into a black. And then another black. So the black section of this is about a half a mile long. So let's find this black trail entrance. For people that aren't familiar with the trail markings, black is almost as hard as it gets. Which way am I supposed to go? That way. That's the black trail I'm supposed to be going on. Definitely missed my mark there. Pretend that didn't happen. That'll be a really fun jump. Ah, there we go. Whew. That's tight. Nice. This is great. Was great. Especially without a bash guard on this bike. This great black diamond trail. Love it. Every time I say that I love it, I hit spots that make me regret going down this trail. Whoa! I'm still riding this sharp line, so bear with me here, folks. Oh, bash guard would have been nice right there because I bashed the crap out of my chainring on that tree. Oh, switch back. Oh. This is switch back. Rocks in the turn. Can't get much sketchier than rocks in a turn. Okay, roots in a switchback. Holy shucks. Oh, pedal strike. Both of my pedals just rubbed that rock. Okay, so I need to go that way. Nuts to the top tube. Whoa! That was bad. Barely got away from that one. Jeepers. Frame directly onto the rock. That was a bit scary. Check trail forks. I know where I am. Gotta keep going straight. Now that I'm no longer warm. Jesus. Now that I'm no longer warmed up, I don't feel comfortable anymore. Gotta go right here. So take me back to the truck. This way. Alright. So still a black trail. Not as technical as the last one. Why did I have to say that? Jeez. This is why you don't ride blind. I am definitely not. After pretty sure I just pulled a couple muscles on those two wrecks back to back and bruised the crap out of my shin with my pedal. Not feeling confident on this spot right here anymore. There's a lot of pedal strikes on that rock because, yeah, obvious reasons. When you wreck, your confidence kind of gets taken down a lot, especially when you're not in the right gear for this. This way. This way. Riding blind. Up. Oh, pedal strike. Oh, holy jeepers. I'm about as tired as I've ever been on this bike, and death gripping these grips. The tightest thing I've ever gripped any grips. And I ride dirt bikes, so that's saying something. When you ride dirt bikes and haven't gripped those grips as hard as you're gripping right now, you know you're screwed. It's getting fun again. Thank God I'm at the end of it. Holy shucks. This is not the end of it. I'm so silly. Oh no. This is the end of it. Oh, there it is. Jeez. Thank God that's over with. Okay. Made it back to the truck. Mostly in one piece. The bike went down pretty hard on a rock. You can see the scratches all the way up there. And on the top of the fork. Barely got out of there without breaking bones, but I was able to bail in time. Got off on my feet as you saw on video. I thought for sure I was losing my right collarbone. Absolutely. But I'm out of it now. Got some damage here on the cranks. It just all really went down hard on the rock, right on the edge of the rock. But yeah, other than that, Governor Dick, mountain biking, if it was labeled better, if everything was marked better, it would be way better. But, anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.